Hi friends! Today we are drawing a cutie cupcake with a yummy cream on top. Are you ready? Let's get started! Firstly, I would like to show you how to draw the cream, and we will start with the top layer. Let's draw the part of the oval with the gap on the top. And from this right end, instead of finishing the oval, we will change the direction and go up. Like this. And from here, our line will go down, forming C shape. We can close that end as well. Now let's go on to the second layer. Let's draw two curved lines going down from the side of the top tier. And connect those two lines on the bottom. Alright, and this is our cream. And now let's draw a cupcake. A cupcake is basically the same shape as the second layer of the cream, but a little bit bigger. Once we've done that, we can draw a paper cup. I will again start with the base and connect to our cupcake. Alright, the main shape is done. Let's draw a top part of the paper cup. We will draw several semicircles going along this line. You can draw as many as you want. And now let's color half of each semicircles in black color. Alright, the next step is to draw lines separating each semicircle. Okay, perfect. The only thing left is to draw his cute face. Start from eyes. We will draw highlights. And a happy mouth. I like to add two short lines under the eyes, like our cupcake is smiling. Alright, now our cutie is ready to be colored. I will speed up the process of coloring, but before that I would like to remind you to start with the cheeks first and mark the space for highlights on the cream. Make sure not to miss the end of the video as I share extra tips there. We are done drawing our cutie, and now you know how to draw a cupcake. And I think the trickiest part of today's drawing was the cream. And now when you practiced it, you can draw many other things with the cream on top, for example strawberry milkshake or yummy cappuccino. If you enjoyed drawing together today, remember to hit that subscribe button not to miss my next videos. Hope to see you there. Bye bye!